Binance Pool launches a Bitcoin transaction accelerator. Binance Pool, the BTC mining pool owned by Binance, has announced the launch of its own Bitcoin accelerator. The pool made the announcement via a blog post on the Binance website, saying, Binance Pool is pleased to announce the launch of the BTC Transaction Accelerator, which will allow users to confirm their transactions on the Bitcoin network more quickly, regardless of any potential network congestion issues. A Bitcoin accelerator can speed up the confirmation time of your Bitcoin transaction by prioritizing it for inclusion in the next block of transactions. There are a few different services that offer this, but one popular option is via BTC. With Binance Pool launching its own accelerator for Bitcoin transactions, people using Bitcoin during high network traffic have more options among the big pools. The update from Binance Pool explains how users can access the accelerator service. Step 1. Log in to your Binance Pool account. Step 2. Proceed to the BTC Transaction Accelerator page. Step 3. Enter the transaction ID on the Bitcoin network that you wish to confirm more quickly. Click on the Hit Check button to receive a cost estimation for speeding up that specific transaction. Step 4. Users who are agreeable to paying the estimated cost can then proceed to speed up the confirmation of the transaction at the Bitcoin network by reaching out to their respective Binance Pool business development managers if they are VIP 1 to 9 users, or contacting the Binance Pool team via Telegram at Binance Pool Accelerator if they are regular users. There is information on how to use the Binance Pool Bitcoin Accelerator. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and the most interesting crypto news.